if you know the sort order is important to you, and at some point you want to go back to the original sort order, you need to almost think about the undo option. So when you sort, you can undo, but depending on what you've done, you may actually find the undo doesn't work or it's too far back. So in this example, I've got a whole bunch of data. I want to be able to work on it and put some notes here. So for example, go get the smallest items, see what there is, make some notes here. But then I want to be able to undo it eventually to get back to the original sort order. So I'm just going to undo. So because of the way undo works, our suggestion is set up a separate column, call it sort order. And for now, I'm just going to go 1 equals that plus 1. So all I'm doing is just setting up the original sort order. Now be careful, you can't leave it with a formula if you use the formula. So I'm just going to highlight it all, copy, right click, and paste as values. And now, no matter what I do, I'll always be able to use this as a sort order. So for example, I can go and say sort A to Z. This is now by salesperson, and I can put my notes, whatever I want to say. I can then say actually now sort by date, please. And maybe I've got some extra comments. And maybe I want to see, in this case, that largest to the smallest. So you'll see I can work on it, make all my changes, and then right at the end when I decide, okay, everything's done, I've made my notes, I can just go back to the sort order. Sorry, before I do that, notice that if I undo Control Z, what it does is it undoes all my work. I'm just going to go here and redo. So that's why the sort order is important. At the very end, I can go sort smallest to largest. And now we're back to the original sort order, but all my notes have been kept.